Thanks so much for doing my hair today. I've been really excited to have this done. So how long have you guys been in this salon, in this space for?
We start for tax day 2014, and we had a wonderful booming business until 3 months ago, and then it shut down. And then I thought it would be like for 2 weeks. It's been 91 days.
And you said it's usually packed. How has the shutdown affected your business?
Well, we have about 120 employees. So right now we're on phase. That's the first day we open. We don't have nails, massage, facial. I mean, no fitness. There is a lot of service was missing. So now we just have hair color and haircut. But we're very happy about having that part at least. Because, I mean, 91 days, I was like, are we going to reopen? That was really worrying. I mean, like, for me, that was extremely disturbing, you know. And but now, I think as we stretch the hours, and as you see, that the place is much split up. You can, you know, we have space in between people because we have 10,000 square feet, and now it should be all right, you know. It's just like it's going to cost us more in labor because we're starting at 7:30 in the morning until 9 p.m. We might go until 11 p.m. if needed. But so then you need more people to cover the desk and all this. All true. We have become touchless, so everything is done via email ahead to actually arrange the checkout.
So how long have you been cutting hair, and have you ever experienced like this much time when you couldn't do your job?
No, I started doing hair since I'm 14 years old, right? And if you think about it, I always have work because my father had a company and I always had work. And that means like this last 3 months was like retirement. I told my wife, I said, I feel like it's like a pre-retirement process because I never had that. The longest time I had was 3 weeks for my honeymoon in 2004. So beside that, I usually take a week. So it was a long time and a lot of time to think about it and be worried about are we going to reopen, how we're going to reopen and all this. And I take it today as a relaunch, not just like a reopening and reopening. It's a brand new way. You know, there's a lot of things we cannot give anymore. We cannot give like a special towel for the customer. I mean, there's a lot of little services, touch of luxury, what you have to take away. But since that, we have invested in many disinfected formula products, wipe, and even a machine to make sure like within 60 seconds with the UVA you kill all germs. And that was very important because I think today's number one is safety.
So one of the things I love about New York is there's so many services, like the service industry is what really employs everyone and keeps it running. Hair cutting wasn't essential, but you saw all across the country how people were angry when they couldn't get their haircuts. Why are services like hair cutting and barbershops so important to New York City?
Because people do 100,000 of pictures a day. You know, they like this all time, everywhere. So yeah, they look at themselves. I think like hair became like almost like as eating or breathing. It's just amazing how important it is. You know, we love our clients, and but what is very, you know, hair is the way you look like. Hair is became your crown. If you don't have it, if your hair doesn't look good, nothing looks good. You know, so it's. But we've been punished for 91 days. So, but now we're very happy to be back. Let's not watch us yesterday. Let's watch us tomorrow. Now and tomorrow. I'm always somebody who watch forward. I don't really look back because there is nothing you can change. You can learn out of it, but you can't change it.
Well, thank you so much for your time today, and I'm really excited to finally get my hair done.
Well, you're very welcome. It's a pleasure.